Namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I'm going to discuss about different types of network security tools used and the for it. What is the importance of network security? As we know, we are having a lot of resources on our network. Okay, so we need to provide security for all of this. Whether we are having the network resources for access control or authentication, we are having the different users for having access on different resources. So what will be the username, passwords, or the rights to access those resources? We need to control it. That's also part of the network. Whatsoever the antiviruses or anti-malware we are using, we need to take care of it. This vendor is giving me this type of security. It perfect for our organization. For application security, we are using a lot of applications. Okay, so whether those applications are secure, okay, we must also consider it. Behavior analytics, the users, protocols, ports, okay, resources, who are accessing those, whether they are authorized or whether their behavior is normal or not. Is that any kind of abnormal behavior? So this is the kind of attack. Might be somebody is trying to access a admin right account, and this account is not normally failure. So means lot of failure message we are receiving. That means some kind of brute force is happening. Okay, so we must understand. And DDoS prevention, it is a big challenge for the cybersecurity professionals. We have the resources which are accessible to our employees, customer partners, to different users, and if DDoS kind of attack will happen, it will be unavailable for our legitimate users. So either we need to use our in-house DDoS prevention, or we need to subscribe some cloud-based DDoS prevention technologies. So the traffic will just forward to the cloud first, and then they have a continuously eyes on it. Yes, what type of traffic, what ratio, from which location it's coming, just filter it out if any kind of DDoS attack happen. Okay, another is DLP, data loss prevention. We need to understand what are the resources in our company, where those lies, who are having access on it, who is accessing those devices. It's important. Next is email security. Lot of threats, maximum threats we can say is coming from the emails. We are receiving social engineering kind of emails, we are receiving phishing emails, we are receiving so many documents which are manipulated, having payloads into it, understand, malicious software into it, so that if just one click, that will be redirect to us to the different zone, or that attack will even happen by the one click. That the total control to the hacker. And the endpoint security, we can use our host based security, IPS we can use, antiviruses, lot of things we need. Next is firewall. It must be suited to our business requirements. What type of security we need to provide, what firewall we are going to implement on our premises, then definitely that must provide the full-fledged facilities, all of that, which are capable to secure our organization from the latest cyber attacks. Clear? So we must understand all the features inside a firewall and the best utilization of it. Many times even the appliances services are providing us the features, but we don't know how to use in a better way. So keep eyes open so that you can see it, all the functionality, how it works in a better way. It will give us a really wonderful opportunity to explore the different uh, options, different features of that product, and it will be beneficial for our organization as well, and best utilization of the resources, money, time. Yeah. And mobile device security, a lot of mobile devices are immersed in the existing networks, so we cannot leave those open to have access on our network. So proper security for that. If these are the mobile devices, IoT devices, understand, and what should be the security checks they should pass before giving entry to our network, understand. So that must be there. And the network monitoring and detection system, we must have it. Without it, we never come to know who is accessing our network, from which location they are accessing, from what time, what the behavior of it. We must have it. Yeah. And the network segmentation is very, very important, because we will compartmentalize our network as per the department wise, as per the resources uses, or whatsoever the locations we are having, depend upon how just we are segmented. Okay, then as per network segmentation, we design the rules, policies, security features. And VPNs, giving the access on our resources, the remote users, not everyone just come and have access on it. No, if they are not at the secure network, they must have access with the help of the. Okay? And another thing is web security. Whatsoever the devices we are having accessible to the outside world, okay, so we must have the security of it, or whatever the resources we are accessing over the insecure network, internet, which websites we are accessing, whether that's legitimate, or having something malicious implanted by the hackers. We must have security of all these things as well. The web security, you can use it. And wireless security, a lot of wireless devices, networks we are using, anyone can have access on the wireless devices, so we must put the security into it, secure password, okay, the highest level of the security on it, and don't just broadcast your SSID so anyone can have a look on it. Okay, only authorized user can have access on our wireless device. And there are multiple tools which we can use to perform network security. These are the list of the few of them, because it is not possible to mention all of them. Okay. Wireshark, Metasploit, Nessus, Aircrack, Snort, Can Enable, Argus, Negios, Dumps, Splunk. Lot many are the tools which we can use to provide security to our network. So, and if we say in network security, just not security to provide all the outside boundary of it. Lot of scope, guys, to learn. We have a lot of opportunities into the security field. Just have open your eyes, open up yourself to learn it. Opportunities are waiting for you. Okay, so follow me on the cybersecurity page and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends, group members, so that they would be able to understand what is network security, methods, tools are used, what are the different opportunities. They can learn a lot many things in network security.